What's up, family? Today I'm going to show you guys how I make delicious loaded baked potatoes using Tabitha Brown's Sunshine Seasoning. Now let's get into it. You're going to take your clean potatoes and you're going to drizzle some oil on it and rub it all over the skin. If you're the type that likes to eat the skin, go ahead and season it with her delicious Sunshine Seasoning, and then wrap your potatoes in aluminum foil and put it in the oven on 400. You're going to want to bake these for about an hour. Then you're going to chop up all your vegetables. I'm using onions, red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, green bell peppers. Then you're going to saute those in butter for about 3 to 4 minutes with some minced garlic. Next, I go ahead and season my veggies with black pepper and that Sunshine Seasoning. Guys, this seasoning is so delicious. Then I add some of this Better Than Bouillon vegetable base. If you have just regular vegetable broth, you could just go ahead and use that. But I didn't have any, so I like to buy this kind and you just add water to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. But if you just have regular vegetable broth, you could just go ahead and use that. Next, I'm going to add some dairy-free heavy whipping cream. Then I went ahead and used my favorite vegan cheese, the field roast chow shreds. This cheese is so good. I think I used about half of the bag in this mixture alone. And so just put that in, give it a good stir, and then make sure you watch it and keep stirring so you make sure that your cheese doesn't burn. Next, I added this vegan shrimp. If I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys, this baked potato would be just as good without the shrimp as it was with. I let a non-vegan try it and she said it kind of tastes like imitation crab. So if that's your thing, then go ahead and buy some. But if not, then you can definitely just make the potato but without the shrimp. Go ahead and fill that baked potato with your cheesy mixture and sprinkle a little bit of the Sunshine Seasoning right on top. Guys, this turned out so delicious. I really hope you try it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Drop some comments. Let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see. Love you guys. Bye.